Cutting and installing the base profile. Before measuring up the room, make sure that any shower trays or bathtubs are level. Measure the length of the walls where you will place your base profiles. Using a hacksaw, cut and miter the corners of the base profile to the lengths required. The distance from the floor to the lower edge of the base profile should be 5 mm. The adjustment for any inside corners is achieved by cutting one base profile at 45 degrees at the back edge. When adapting to the exterior corner, the entire profile is cut to 45 degrees. We recommend using a file to make the corner of the base profile less pointed. Before applying any adhesive, dry fit the pieces to make sure all the cutting and angles are accurate enough. Clean the base profile with FiboClean before applying FiboSeal or other approved sealant to the back of the profile under the pre-drilled holes. Level the base profile. Use a laser for the optimal results, and then attach the profile with screws into the pre-drilled holes. Make sure you leave a gap of 5 mm between the lower edge of the base profile and any shower trays or baths. If you are using Fibo in a full wet room, then the distance from the floor to the lower edge of the base profile should still be 5 mm, but the membrane should be at least 100 mm up on the wall from the floor. Wrap the Fibo sealing tool in a Fibo wipes cloth and remove dust between the panel and the profile, as well as the gap between the tray and the profile. Apply FiboSeal between the bottom of the panel and the base profile. Apply FiboClean on the sealant. Remove excess sealant with a Fibo sealing tool. Repeat on all sides of the shower tray or bathtub. Follow the same steps between the bottom of the profile and the shower tray or bath. Apply sealant. Remove excess with FiboClean and Fibo sealing tool. You also need to apply sealant in any corners where the bath or tray meets the wall, all the way down to the floor. Repeat the cleaning process as before.